Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. Today we are going to do a simple natural hairstyle you can recreate for yourself, whether you're going to any occasion, a wedding, school, class, meeting, work, anywhere. As I even record this video, I'm wearing this hairstyle at the office. If you are new to the channel, my name is Lydia. Here I share simple DIYs, hairstyles, anything in between that you can use to grow your hair. So today we are doing this simple hairstyle. If you are someone who wants to learn how to style your hair in 2025, this video is for you. This video is so simple. So first of all, I start by moisturizing the hair. It depends on the texture of your hair. For me, I have a 4C hair. My hair is not very thick, but sometimes it can be very stubborn. So it is very important to moisturize your hair. If you say that your hair is too hard, I really don't like to accept it. You have to learn how to tame your hair. Sometimes with water, leave-in conditioner, the right product, you realize that your hair is not as stubborn as you always thought it is. So yes, I pat my hair into the size that I want. I was going in for a 3-sided hair, so I'm patting my hair into 3 different sides as you see me do in the video. It's very simple to do. You need a mirror so that it's easier for you to pat the hair. If you don't have a mirror, you're going to really struggle. In fact, I've not seen any hairstyle you do without a mirror, unless you just want to do an all back and just hold in your hair. So guys, I'll be using water and gel. After I did this hair, I realized that the gel wasn't holding as I thought it would hold. But then if you have a better option, I suggest you use it. I don't know whether it's a gel or it's because I didn't really moisturize my hair well, but then it also turned out well. Just take to the video and you see how simple this style was. Yes, so guys, do well to tame your hair. Like I'm always talking about taming the hair with water, leave-in conditioner, and anything you have available. Styling your hair is as simple as you may think. Trust me, I used to think styling my own natural hair was a chore, like it was something very difficult, until I actually started doing it and I realized that it's the simplest thing you can ever do for your hair. Yes, I know it's been long you saw me in DIY. Trust me, I'll be back so soon. I'll be back sooner than you think. I'll be back with different DIY videos for you. So the style we are doing today, the back is not really a problem because we are going to cover the back with something. So it's just the front that we need to focus on. So the back is just a secondary matter. Just get the front ready. So the style we are going to do today, it's like we are doing a crisscross style at half part of the hair, both half part of the hair, crisscross style. And then the middle part will be, you brush everything back with a gel. Like everything will lay down nicely with a gel. And then the last part will also be a crisscross style. Yes, and it's important to use a very good gel. I mean, gel or wax. Use a one that will really make your hair lie down, like obey you very well. Because if you don't, you are not going to, I mean, you're not going to like it as much as you should. Yes, so guys, I got this comb from Her First Beauty. This comb doesn't work because if I have to start combing my hair with smaller comb, it's going to really waste my time and delay a lot. But then this comb just makes everything easy for me. Yes, so the crisscross style is just patting your hair into what you see me do and then using a rubber band around it under and then crisscrossing it on the next hair behind it. Yeah, I hope you get the concept. You crisscross it to the hair that is at the back. Yes, something like that. And the front is really optional. Whichever style you want to do for yourself, then you do it. For me, I wanted to do this particular style today. That is how come I did it today. But if you are craving a different style, I suggest you do that different style that you are craving. And another is do the style that, let me say, is easier for you. So let's enjoy this music while we watch, how I do the hair. make your patterns straight and uniform, it makes the style very nice. Like if your patterns are straight and then like you can see your scalp looking very nice, it makes the style very, very nice. So you need a mirror and you can use a ruler if you want a straight line. Sometimes when I'm doing my hair and I'm not getting the straight line as I need, I just use a ruler to draw something straight if I'm not really getting it. And besides, it is your own hair, you're doing it in your room, so you don't have to worry about like people wondering why you're using a ruler on your hair. Do what suits you. After I'm done with the sides, I now go on and focus on the middle part. The middle part, I'm just letting it lay flat, like lay down very, very flat. If you can use a gel, that will make it lay down very flat. Use it so that it gives it this luxury natural hair look, like very, very luxury natural hair look. Yes. So I first of all try to see if I can lay my edges here. I was getting confused. Should I lay edges or I should just brush everything back? Like I was a bit confused, but then I said, let me just brush everything back. So I used Gorilla Glue and then X Block Gel for this. Trust me, I didn't really like the outcome, but I'm sure maybe you'll like it. You have a different mind about it. I use a rubber band, but this rubber band is sort of moisturized. Yes, I added some oil to it so that it wouldn't stick to my hair so much. Yeah. So please, if you use a rubber band, make sure you add some oil or shea butter around it so that it doesn't tear your hair. Yes. So here's the hair I'll be using. Drum roll. This hair is the game changer. I got this hair from a brand on Instagram called Dionoa. Like the hair is lovely. Lovely is even underestimation. The compliment I got. I even got DMs, personal DMs. People who haven't reached out to me in a long time reached out to me saying that the hair is so nice. So guys, yes, this is a hair that gives you that elevated natural hairstyle look. If you do a basic natural hairstyle and you want to elevate the style a bit, this is the extension, the afro hair that you need. So I first of all covered that part with a with a net hair cap so that a wig cap so that it doesn't it looks a bit uniform, but it's very optional. If you like, you can just leave it like that and then wear your wig. So the wig comes in combs that is able to support your hair itself. It supports the hair for you. You don't have to worry about it removing because it comes with an adjustable elastic that you can either tighten or loosen it a bit. So you can tell that I've chooked, have put the comb into my actual hair. It's not painful at all and it's so light. Like the lightness of this hair is so, it's so beautiful. Yes. And this is just it. So you have to just focus on the front part of your hair and then go on with this style. I'll do another style that you can do with this Afro kinky extension, wig, so that it's easy for you. So yes, as I said earlier, it is adjustable. You just have to tighten or loosen it. Don't worry about the wind blowing it. The wind will not blow it. If the wind blows, it is well rested on your hair. So guys, this is the video I have for you today on this simple natural hairstyle. Like it's giving rich auntie vibes. Like it's giving I'm ready at any time. I had to dance a bit to show how excited I was. In fact, I was very excited. I added this little aesthetic little accessory just to elevate the look more. Yes, can you see? Like it's giving. When we say it's giving, it's given. I simply love this style. Let me know what you think about this. Is this something you're going to recreate? And when I got to it, people were thinking it was my actual hair. And I also allowed them to think that way because, of course, it's my actual hair. It's giving 4C hair, and my hair is also 4C. So why will I say it's not my actual hair? Here, I didn't know how to end the video, but I'm sure that I ended it well. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Do well to subscribe if you are new. Bye.